Alright YouTube, you can see we are installing the mold window units, and in the front we have 4 mold window units, which is 2 windows put together makes a mold unit. These particular windows have grills in the glass. The interior of the windows is pre-finished in white, so there's no painting on the inside. So we do a tie-vac wrap around the window well. We go about 4 inches up, and then we wrap it to the inside of the window well. Creates a great seal, and then the window goes against that, and we nail the window to the tie-vac.